Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Have you ever been to an island?
Yes, I have visited an Indian island. I had a fantastic time in the Andaman Islands in 2018.
Question number 2. Are there any islands in your country?
Yes, India has a number of islands. Some examples include the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Lakshadweep Islands, and the Gulf of Kutch Islands.
Question number 3. Do you want to live on an island if you have a chance?
Yes, if given the opportunity, I would love to live on an island. Living in a calm, peaceful setting amidst nature would be an incredible opportunity.
Question number 4. What do you like to do when you are on an island?
I enjoy exploring the island and participating in activities such as swimming, snorkeling, kayaking, and hiking. I also enjoy lying on the beach and taking in the breathtaking views of the sea. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.